Hello everyone, this is Meedhasri and I have come again with a pick a pile reading for you guys, and this is what you are attracting for the upcoming month. Okay, so now we have two piles for you. This is pile 1 with this bird, okay, and this is pile 2 with this little cute Ganesh, okay. So please meditate over each pile, okay, pile 1, pile 2. Think, breathe in, breathe out, meditate, and think of the question that what are you attracting next, okay, and what is the energy like, and then go ahead with your pile. Okay, this is pile 1 and this is pile 2. See which pile is attracting you the most. Okay, so I'll see you at your reading. Bye. Hey pile 1, so this reading is for what you are attracting next and what is the energy like. So those of you who chose this beautiful bird, I'll show it to you. So this is your reading, okay? So let's see what are the cards saying. So we have the Devil, we have the Ten of Wands, we have the Emperor, and we have Six of Cups. Okay, so now pile 1, what is it that is constantly going on in your mind and pulling you down? Why are you overthinking so much? Why are you so much chained by the negative patterns of thinking? Why are you unable to come out of it? Why are you giving that negative pattern or those traumatic thoughts so much power? Because this Devil is telling me that you are not being able to come out of certain addictive patterns. That can be any kind of addiction, whether it's overthinking, whether it is alcohol, whether it is smoking, or whether it is some kind of substance, or consuming a lot of content, but it's very mindless. You're putting a lot of this, your mind into something which is very mindless and it's not needed. So please come out of that, okay? So you have to work on it, because this Ten of Wands energy is also there, which is telling me that with a little bit of effort, that little conscious effort, in the upcoming month, what you can do is come out of this, okay? Because the Ten of Wands is showing that at the moment you're too burdened with a lot of responsibilities, okay? That can be your work, that can be your examination, that can be expectations from people, that can be other family responsibilities or relationships where you are having to give all your efforts and you feel very drained. You do not have time for yourself, but slowly you are coming out of this negative pattern of thinking, this Devil energy, and also this too much of being caught up, okay? So you're coming out of that, and what you're going to do is rise up in your power and not let anything come in the way and make you feel powerless. So we have the Emperor card, which is extremely powerful. So if any situation that is making you feel powerless, now what you're going to do is rise up. You will be like, enough is enough. You know what? This is not me. You know what? This is not what I want. And this is not going to be something that I would wish for myself or anyone, okay? So whatever the reason is, if any situation has made you feel very powerless, if it is some person, here I feel that it is some kind of a person, be it at work or, in some kind of relationship where you feel very trapped. Like you know that this is not right, but you're unable to come out of that situation. So this is ending, okay? Because you are rising in your power, and you know that you have it in you. So please embrace that energy. And then we have the Six of Cups, okay? This is a beautiful energy. This is about all the nourishment, all the love that you need to give to yourself, and also that people are going to give to you. Around you will feel a very nurturing environment. And also this tells me that someone from your past is, you are going to have some kind of reunion with that person. That can be a long lost friend, that can be meeting a person after ages, or planning something, and then have a good gala time together. So this upcoming month shows a lot of good new changes, okay, but it shows a very powerful transition because of the emperor energy that is there. And once again, you know why I'm emphasizing on this emperor energy is because this is too powerful. Once you know take that thought, you know, you rise up to that thought and energy level, you will see a lot of other blockages going away, you know, which was holding you back, crumbling you down and all of that. That is not going to happen. So let me pull another card for you, okay? The last message. Woohoo! See, Four of Wands, okay? So Four of Wands is a card of celebration. So in case some of you, you know, have trips planned, celebrations planned, marriage party, you know, marriage affairs to attend, or you know, going ahead with your marriage celebration, okay, making the choice, life partner choice, or taking your relationship or affair to the next level, this is a very good time, okay? Talk, because this is showing a lot of celebrations coming ahead in the upcoming month and few days, okay? So pile 1, that was your reading, and I shall see you all in my next reading, okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Hey pile 2, so this is your reading for the ones who chose this cute, sweet little Ganesh. If you can see Gannu. So here is your reading, okay? So let's see what the cards have to say. We have the Ten of Swords. We have the Page of Pentacles. We have the Temperance, and we have the Fool. Okay, let me put the Fool card here. Okay, so Ten of Swords is telling me that you are extremely exhausted at the moment, okay? Very exhausted, and you know, constantly you've been working very hard and you've not been able to see the results that you have been, you know, looking for. And at the same time, some of you might have been, you know, backstabbed as well. You know, you might have seen things happening at your back, and you know, it's like you didn't expect certain results, but those came your way. So I must tell you guys something, that you guys have been pretty bold and you have given your best, and there are good news for you that, you know, what is going to happen next month. Let's see, let me tell you, okay? Let me just tell you the story that is coming ahead. So we have the Page of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. So Ten of Swords is telling me that a huge tough cycle is ending for you guys, okay? And there is going to be a new beginning, because I'll tell you, 10 is the ultimate card. It is the end of something, and after 10 in tarot we always start with another first card, okay? So 10 is the ultimate end, and after this there's only going up, okay? Beautiful new beginning coming. So the Page of Pentacles shows that there will be, you know, some slow small start coming up your way. Why I say small is because, you know, someone or some message may come to you which is going to be very unexpected, and it might not look very attractive, okay? I mean, you wouldn't maybe get completely, you know, very impressed by that message or that offer, whatever comes your way. You know, it might not have your immediate attention. You might take some time, or you might even overlook it. So I would tell you that whatever opportunity or messages come your way, please attend to them. That can be a very good career opportunity, that can be good networking, that can be even a very nice offer of friendship, which, you know, if you're looking for companionship, that may even turn into a good bond and love affair, okay? Because then we have the Fool card, okay? So as I said, after the Ten of Swords, all you have is a new beginning. So this card, the Fool, is just about that, okay? A new journey awaits, okay? So let me tell you one thing, with this Fool card, this will be a lot of, you know, the energy is like of the leap of faith. So you might have to take that leap without expecting immediate results. So, you know, I'll tell you this, whatever decision that you take is not going to give you that immediate result, okay? It won't be like, today I do this, okay, after 1-2 months let me review. No, this will take time. This is going to be a time-taking process. Whatever you are deciding to, that the rewards you will get, you know, a little later. So be prepared with that, because immediate gratification is not going to come. And also it tells me that you might, end up being a little, emotional fool type. So take care of that. There's nothing wrong in being emotional, but see to it that you don't go to the point where you are unnecessarily draining yourself by giving too much to something which can be kept at a nice kept with a nice boundary or balance. Okay, so just take care of that, because otherwise things look very nice. And then we have the Temperance card. So just like I said, that the leap of faith, or the new beginning, the new journey that you are taking ahead, that is not going to be something which will give you that immediate gratification. So please note that it won't be disappointing, because in the long run you are actually going to get a very balanced and long-term result. Okay, because the Temperance card is all about patience, all about balance. So please keep that balance, and also please know that you are sowing the seeds for future. So if you have a very long-term vision, okay, that okay, I am doing this right now, and after 2 years I see myself there, and for this I have to go step by step, keep all the balance, not go too much into this or too much into the other thing, go in a very slow and steady pace. Then you will see that you are going to achieve what you want. Okay, because this new energy that is coming in the upcoming few days is actually pushing you to fulfill your long-term dreams. Okay, so yeah, that was your reading, and it's a beautiful reading. Let me just pull another card for you guys. Okay, we have the Eight of Wands. Okay, so Eight of Wands is telling me that suddenly that this phase, when it's going to end now, this Ten of Swords, and then you see a slow message, slow opportunity coming your way, which will not get your attention immediately, like patak se, it won't happen. But you will see, once you level up to that energy where you take this opportunity in hand, certain things are going to change very fast for you. It would be like within 8 days you will see things changing. 8 days to 8 weeks. Okay, after taking the decision, you'll see things moving at a very faster level, which it was not happening. Also, some of you will have travel as well. So yeah, that was your reading, guys. And there's a lot of passionate energy also, so make sure you choose things which you are passionate for, whatever that is, because that is going to help you keep up with that long-term devotion and dedication. Yeah, so that's it, pile 2, and I shall see you at your next reading on my next video. Okay, bye, till then, take care.